The House Prosecution Panel is confident that the Senate will be able to convene as an impeachment court tomorrow, that's Monday, despite the recent events that shook the upper chamber last week. Members of the panel such as Representatives Lawrence Defensor, Laila De Lima, and Terry Ridon are expressing hope that the Senate will be able to fulfill their duties regardless of their political leanings now that the new Senate President has been installed.
Hindi ko huhusgahan ang ating mga senator judges. Sana na lang na wag makaapekto ito para maging fair at impartial ang trial nating makikita.
We certainly hope that they will do their job impartially. Kasi yun naman talaga ang nakalagay. Even sa rules nila, they are being asked to exhibit political neutrality. Ganun po ang nakasabi mismo sa rules nila. That while sitting as senator judges, they should exercise political neutrality.
Bahala naman po yung Senado magpasya kung sino yung liderato nila. As far as the prosecution is concerned, we can present the evidence irrespective of the Senate leadership.
Reporting from the EDSA Shrine here in Quezon City, I'm Rolando Nang for Manila Standard.